So this is LayerDGE airdrop, and this airdrop is one of the airdrop that is going to pay massively more than most of the Telegram airdrops that we are currently mining on. So if you are watching this video right now, congratulations, because you are going to start this airdrop with me very early. Now, there is no much task here. It functions similarly, almost the same way with NodePay, Grass airdrop, and most of the Dpins airdrop that we've done in the past. All you basically have to do is pick the referral link. If you are watching from YouTube, you check the description box or the comment section of this video. I have dropped it here. Once you paste it in your browser, preferably you should use Mrs. Browser, or you can also use your MetaMask. You just open up your MetaMask, go to the D apps section, then you paste the link. But for an easier method, I'm using my Mrs. browser here, and I've already imported my MetaMask. So what you basically do is load up the link. Once it loads up, you want to click on this connect wallet here at the top right of your screen. When you click on connect, it is going to redirect me to select the wallet I want to connect it. So from the page, I will now be selecting MetaMask. And sometimes, as you can see, I am clicking on it now and nothing is popping up. It happens. All you have to do is be patient and keep retrying. As for me, I'm going to refresh this page before trying again. So after trying for several hours, it still didn't work. When it finally works, I was unable to still connect my wallet. The site just keep hanging, keep displaying some error messages, blah blah blah. I even went ahead and tried the MetaMask that I told you guys to do. That you should enter your MetaMask, go to the D app section or the browser section, paste in the link. I went and tried it and it still didn't work. So at the end of the day, I ended up using my normal Chrome browser. And this is how I do it. Stick with me. So I went inside my Telegram channel. I've dropped the link there already for my people. So I went inside my Telegram channel. I clicked on the link, and you all know Telegram has its browser. But this time around, Telegram redirected me into my Chrome browser. So this browser you're seeing on my screen here is my Chrome browser, but inside Telegram. So it's just like an extension. Preferably, just go and use your Chrome browser. Paste the link there if Mrs. Browser or Kiwi is not working for you. And as you can see, the connect wallet option is showing blue. So all I basically have to do is to click on it, and then I'm going to look for MetaMask from the list and do the connection. So on this page, I select my MetaMask, and after selecting, they bring the option again. I open with my MetaMask, and then on this page, they require my password, which I'm going to go ahead and put in. All right, once my MetaMask opens up, normally they are supposed to show me the connection message, but as you can see on my screen here, it is not showing the connection message. So what I simply have to do now is to minimize from this my MetaMask back into my Chrome browser, and then I'm going to click on the connect wallet option again to select my MetaMask again and see if the connection button is going to pop up. And note, the reason why I'm taking my time to do all of this is so that you won't have to go through the stress, or you won't have to give up if you encounter all this stress. I'm assuring you, this airdrop will stress you, but you have to persevere and go through it, because this airdrop is going to pay massively. Now you select on MetaMask again, and this time around you can see the connection message has now displayed. And all I basically have to do is wait for it to load up and ask for my permission to know, do the confirmation, blah blah blah, and then I can now proceed. All right, so after clicking on the connect button, I need to wait for the success message where they say permission updated, and it should redirect me automatically on its own back into my browser. All right, we're back on this page, and it is still displaying the connection. See, if it still displays you to connect, just basically click on connect again, but sometimes it can work automatically on its own. But if it shows you, as you can see, I'm still going ahead to click on the connect. After connecting, they'll bring out that pop-up message, and then I click on grant permission, blah 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 again, and do it. And I think this time around it should work. So permission has now been updated, and you can see back into my browser, and now I am registered. What is left for me to do now is to put my invitation code. If you need an invitation code, check this code that is displaying on your screen here, or you can check the comment section or the description box of this video to paste my referral code. And from what I'm seeing, you cannot actually register on this airdrop without being referred by someone. So basically, referral is compulsory. So after putting in, it has validated, and we are now finally done with the stressful registration process. Now, the next thing to do, which is very important again, is to look at your home screen, and you basically have to click on this start node. So once you click on that, you are done. You don't have to stress yourself doing any other task again. In fact, the only thing you need to keep doing now is to keep checking in daily, at least 2, 3, or 4 times. You check in daily to see if your node is still connected. And mine is still telling me that network error while starting node. So, like I said, this portal is stressing me a lot. But I'm not giving up on it. I'll still come back to try again, even though it is not starting now, but at least I have registered. Now, the other thing or the basic task that you have to do on this page is just to refer people, and it is not compulsory. So you can simply click on that hamburger menu, go to your dashboard, go to the referral section, and then you can copy your link and send to people. Like I said, if you want to register, my code is body displaying on the screen where you can copy it and do your registration. Now, aside registering on this platform, let me show you another platform that is going to make you passive income. This one is Telegram based, but it's not like your regular airdrop. Now, if you want an airdrop that you can be earning passive income from while still getting the airdrop for free, go and join SUI Bison. I have dropped a video on this several times. I've withdrawn a lot from it. I don't know, this thing is not showing withdrawal history. If not, I'll have shown you my withdrawal history. I have withdrawn up to 80 SUI by simply partaking on this SUI Bison. And if you click at the top left of your screen, no, sorry, bottom left of your screen here, you're going to see this is the SUI Bison token. 3,617 is what I have currently. And as you can see, this is my balance now. 0.9 SUI. Once this gets to 1 SUI, I'm going to withdraw. And it is going to be my second withdrawal for the day. So apparently, minimum withdrawal is just 1 SUI. And all you simply have to do is register on this site, deposit 1 SUI, or you can deposit more. Look at the earning rate here. So you can go and do your mathematics, calculate it. But if you want to enjoy this platform, I advise you deposit $50 worth of SUI. But if you don't have enough money, you can deposit still 1 SUI, 2 SUI. You are going to make massive amount of money on this. There are a lot of features on this. I made a comprehensive video on it. Check my channel or check the comment section or the description box. I have posted that. I've dropped the link of that full details there where you can go and check it. So there are a lot of ways you earn. You even get to get weekly salary, as you can see. For my rank here, I'm going to be getting $25 every week, and that is approximately 6.048 SUI. These 2 days now, in 2 days' time, which I'll be getting another SUI, will be my third withdrawal for this salary something. And look at this GMP is just like a global. This site is just amazing. So go and join it right now and start earning. And that is basically it. Make sure you are subscribed to this channel, turn on the bell icon to get notifications whenever we upload a new video. And with the link in the description box of this video, join my Telegram channel.